guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look that I am wearing right now. It's giving me festival vibes, it's giving me Coachella, it's giving me life. So for this look, I went ahead and I used the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the volume 2. Now this is what it looks like. So if you have this palette, take it out, let's play, or use a different palette, but like let's just play. So let's go ahead and zoom in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be applying this concealer. This is the Cover FX Power Play Concealer. Now this is in the shade P Light 1. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this underneath the brow to give me a little bit of coverage as well as lightness. I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. For my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using this P. Louise and Rumor 02. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend this out. And I want to put this everywhere on the inner part, pulling it outward, putting it upward, as well as putting some underneath. Because I'm going to do my whole eye look before doing my face makeup. With this M433 brush, I'm going to grab this color here called My Man. I'm going to be applying it on the crease as well as in the outer part of the eye, because this is the main color, the main show. So just going back and forth, and I'm going to keep grabbing some until I'm happy with the color. So the first swipe was a little light, but I feel like the more I go, the more I'm going to get that intense color. And I'm going to use this to drag out the eye look. And it's okay if it's messy at first because I'm going to be cleaning it up a little bit later. So that's okay. This color is so freaking pretty. It definitely gives me like festival vibes, like summer vibes. It's definitely a vibe. And with this Morphe E27 brush, it doesn't have anything. I'm just going to use this to buff this color out. I don't know if in camera you can see it, but I want to use this orange, which is My Man. And as you guys can see, there's like 2 different tones of orange already. So it really matters how many times you layer this color, because then you're really going to get that pigmentation that you're wanting. So I'm going to go in again with the color My Man, because I just want to make sure I get it really nice and pigmented on the crease. And in the outer part of the eye as well. With this M511 brush, I'm going to get this color here called Certified. And I'm just going to use this color to blend it out and make everything nice and smooth. A nice and smooth transition. I'm going to go ahead and clean up the eyelid before I apply that eyelid color. So I'm going to be using this e.l.f. concealer. This is the 16-hour concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Warm. With this Morphe M224 brush, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the eyelid very lightly. Create the shape that I want. Sorry, I tend to be very quiet when I get focused. But I'm just blending as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and use my finger, and I'm just going to dab right here. I just want it to kind of be a little bit smooth before I go in with any color. With the M433 brush, I got a little bit more of that My Man color. And I'm just going to tap this on the outer part of the eye to really intensify this color on the outer part of the eye. This flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to grab this color called I'm In It. And I'm just going to tap this into the eyelid. I'm lightly tapping while going towards the outer part of the eye so that I can blend a little bit more. With this M506 brush, I grabbed a little bit of that My Man color. And I'm just going to use this to blend around the crease. And again, with the eyelid color, I'm In It. I'm just going to again just go over the eyelid line. With this JH42 brush, I grabbed some of that My Man color, and I'm really going to focus this on the lower lash line, because I'm going to start smoking out this look. So little by little, I'm building up the color and just going back and forth. Back with the Morphe 506 brush, it has a little bit of that My Man color. And I'm going to use this to buff it out a little bit more. And I'm just going to do little circular motions and little just back and forth motions. So before I go ahead and do some face makeup and then come back to the eyes, I just want to clean it up a little bit. So I have a little bit of Q-tip, and I know I'm a little nasty, but I grabbed some saliva. You can use eye makeup remover, whatever works for you, but I'm gently going up to clean it up and give that really good, like, kind of look. And very lightly just kind of smooth this out. Alright, she says she's here. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of my face and then I'll be right back. So time for some inner corner highlight. I'm going to be using this flat brush, and I'm going to grab this color here called Talia, which is a beautiful yellow goldy color. And I'm really hoping that this stands out, because if it doesn't, I'm going to cut you. So I'm just going to dab this on the inner corner to really give me a nice little glitter, little gold. So this is looking pretty good, but I feel like I want this to be even a little bit more brighter. But in this palette, as you guys can see it doesn't really have that many light shimmery shades. Like the color that I have on the eyelid is this one here, and there's not another one that's kind of like light like that. So that's why I use that yellow gold color. But what I'm going to do right now, and let's see how this goes. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Trophy Wipe Highlighter. And I'm just going to grab some with the same brush that I used for the inner corner. And I'm just going to tap that onto the inner corner and just intensify that gold. So I already went ahead and curled my lashes, so time for some mascara. I'm going to use the Lorac Pro Pomade. This is a black mascara. There you guys. My camera was having a hard time focusing. Okay. So I'm just going to apply this right now just on the top lashes, because I'm going to apply some falsies, and then I'll do the lower ones. Whatever's left on this brush here, I'm just going to go over the lower lash line to blend and smoke it out a little bit, because when I put concealer, it kind of removed a little bit of it. So I'm just doing that. So back with the Celeste Los Angeles eyelash book. This is what it looks like in case you've never seen it before. I'm going to go ahead and grab these here, which are cookie. So I'm just going to pop these on. I am the worst when it comes to applying freaking lashes. It takes me forever. With this MAC black eyeliner, I'm just going to put that on the top waterline to blend the lash line. And now with this MAC nude one, I'm going to put this on the lower lash line. I've been really into this because it just opens up the eye and gives it a different look. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put some mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to put some lipstick, do my hair, and then I'll be right back. So this is the final look. I was really lazy to do my hair, and this look is giving me like a festival vibes, like Coachella, like it's just the vibe. But I was really lazy to do my hair, so this is it. But the makeup though is so freaking gorgeous. What do you think? Let me know down below. Are you guys gonna recreate this look? What other color I should use from this palette, or what other palette I should use? Comment down below. You guys know that I love to interact with you guys. If you guys aren't already, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that bell button to get notified whenever I upload new videos, because girl, I don't want you to miss out. I try to upload at least 3 videos a week, and right now with this quarantine it might be a little bit more, so make sure to hit that bell button. And if you guys aren't already as well, make sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that goody good stuff. And I hope you guys are all safe and healthy at home. We'll get through this, and I hope that we can all just go back to normal very soon. But enjoy this time with your family. Just, you know, let's just go through it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!